Hello and welcome to this presentation of Photon 11.3. In this video, we will demonstrate the capabilities of the latest Photon release, Timeline. The Timeline module is now fully multi-user. When editing and creating media and effects on the timeline, this collaborative environment enables multiple users to work together on a project timeline. The system allows real-time collaboration, efficient task management, and seamless integration of various elements into the final visual production. Real-time collaboration. Several users can work simultaneously on different aspects of the project, such as editing sequences, applying effects, adjusting animations, grading, and more. Changes made by one user are immediately visible to others, ensuring synchronization and reducing the chances of conflicts. In large productions, Photon is capable of handling a massive amount of media and numerous requests from the creative team. Having multiple users who can interact with different parts of the timeline greatly increases the speed of creation. In summary, the multi-user timeline is essential for managing complex visual projects. It enables efficient collaboration and ensures high-quality outputs by coordinating efforts among multiple users. Preview Programming Playhead Mode. The Playhead controllers are now fully detachable from the timeline during the show, allowing real-time editing of any part of the timeline while the show is running. The Playhead turns green and allows you to edit any part of the timeline without interrupting what is being displayed on the screens. When you are finished, disable the preview programming, and you will return to the exact point of the show without any push action, refresh, or synchronize to apply. Playhead follow modes. When programming or operating a show, you now have the ability to decide whether the timeline view constantly reframes the playhead or if you can freely roam to other places on the timeline while the show is running. Looping regions and regions redesign. You can now loop a section of the timeline either indefinitely or a set number of times before exiting. After creating a region in 11.3, you'll notice the Mobius strip toggle in front of the region label. When activated, the region will loop indefinitely when entered by the playhead. The region text will change color to orange and two triangles will appear on each side. Looping options will allow you to loop the region a certain number of times before exiting. Auto break will deactivate the loop mode upon the playhead exit. If not turned on, the looping settings will reset. Additionally, we have redesigned and placed the region in a tab to free up space and give the user the ability to unpin it and place it where they want. 3D Scene. Calibration Tab Redesign. We have reorganized the calibration tabs, separating manual calibration, SLAC, and LED into 3 different tabs. The calibration window now takes the entire length of the 3D scene. New LED tools. We've completely redesigned the LED mapping tools. Both views are now visible at the same time, and quadding and manipulations have been greatly improved. LED DMX mapping is now fully integrated into the 3D scene. We now support LED DMX mapping in the 3D scene, with a complete set of tools to efficiently map LED strips and LED lights over DMX. SLAC. New workflow. One of the key features of this new release is the new workflow for the automatic alignment of cameras and projectors. It comes packed with a host of brand new settings and features that are set to revolutionize the way we interact with Photon and Xenon. This exciting development is set to transform how we approach calibration and promises to deliver unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. With this advanced auto-alignment workflow, users can enjoy a more intuitive and streamlined experience that will take their work to the next level. NVZ SLAC. Invisible calibration. It is now possible to perform an acquisition during rehearsals or pre-shows in invisible mode, during more challenging lit scenarios like work light or even daylight. VYV Network Assistant. EDID Management. You can now remotely load and unload EDID on all connected servers directly via the Network Assistant. Mosaics Creation. You can now remotely create and manage your mosaics on all connected servers directly via the Network Assistant. Introducing Graph V2. We have completely redesigned the graph from the ground up, with logic and graphic nodal programming in mind, while retaining all the capabilities of Graph V1. V2 opens up many new possibilities in terms of gamification and complex logic creation for your shows and events. Furthermore, you can now nest graphs into other ones, allowing abstraction of complex logic into reusable and versatile nodes. This will help you solve intricate challenges with more ease. This is still a work in progress, and we will continue to support V1 until V2 is completed. Thank you for watching. Discover more information about Photon on vyv.ca.